Good afternoon, unbothered numbers. This next method that I will break down will be the missing digit method, which is a method that I have in one of my rundowns. So again, I'm going to use Michigan numbers for 119 when we got 476, and I'm going to use 120, the 409 that we just got today for midday. So step one would be to write down the number that we got. So we got 476. And on the side of it, I'm going to put a 19th because that's going to be our date. That's the day that it came on. So now I'm going to look inside the number. And next to the number, I'm going to put missing numbers. Like this. So our next step is to look inside the hit and see which numbers aren't attached to the hit. So as you can see, we don't have a 0 in 476. We don't have a 1 in 476. We don't have a 2 in 476. We don't have a 3 in 476, but we have a 4, so there's no need to write it down. We don't have a 5 in 476. We have a 6. No need to write down. We have a 7, no need to write down. We're missing an 8 and we're missing a 9. So now that you realize that, you close this up. Now you go to the original number and you pull your pairs out. So the first pairs that you pull out will be your first front pairs, which will be 47. The next pair that you will pull out will be your first number and your last number. So I'll do this just so you can see. It'll be 46. And then we go to our last numbers, which would be 76. So these are telling you the 3 pairs that comes out of this or makes up for 76. So the next thing that we do is write the first pair down, which they gave us was a 47. And all you do is attach your missing numbers to the pair that it gave us. So we were missing a 0. You attach a 0 to it. Another 47. You attach the missing 1 to it. You attach the missing 2 to it. You attach the missing 3 to it. You attach the missing 5 to it. You attach the missing 8 to it. You attach the missing 9 to it. Go through, make sure all your missing numbers are attached to the first pair. Then you move to the next one and you follow the same steps. They gave us 46, so we add our missing 0. They gave us 46, we add our missing 1. They gave us 46 already, we add our missing 2. They gave us 46 already, we add our missing 3. They gave us 46 already, we add our missing 5. They gave us 46 already, we add our missing 8. And they gave us 46 already, we add our missing digit, which would be 9. Then we move to the next pair. They gave the same steps as we did for the first 2 pairs. You add your missing 0. You add your missing 1. You add your missing 2. You add your missing 3. You add your missing 5. You add your missing 8. And you add your missing 9. Now these pairs right here and these numbers could possibly be the followers of 476. And that's how I do the missing digit method. Okay, so let's start with another one. So our other one, we got 409 today. So I'll draw a line under here and we'll go example 2. So they gave us 409 midday for Michigan. So again, we're going to say missing numbers. And we're going to look at this 409. What's missing out of it? They gave us a 0, so we don't need to redo it. We're missing a 1. We're missing a 2. We're missing a 3. They gave us a 4. We're missing a 5. We're missing a 6. We're missing a 7. We're missing an 8, but they gave us a 9, so we don't have to do it. So we're done. Close it out. You're going to move over here just like with the other one. You're going to pull your 3 pairs out. Remember, you're going to pull your first 2 numbers out. Will be your first 2 in the front. Will give us a 40. Then you're going to pull your first and your last digit out, which will be 49. And then you're going to pull out your end digits, which will be 09. So it either gave us a 40X, a 40. It's telling us that it could either be a 40X, a 39, a 40X, a 49X, or a 09X. So we're going to do the same thing. So we're going to pull our 40 out that they gave us first, add our missing 1, add our missing 2, add our missing 3, add our missing 5, add our missing 6, add our missing 7, add our missing 8. We're done because no more numbers is missing. We go to our 49 and we do the same thing. We bring down that 1, we bring down that 2, we bring down the 3, we'll bring down the 5, we'll bring down the 6, we'll bring down the 7, and we'll bring down our final 8. Now we'll go with our last pair they gave us, which was 09. Same steps. I'm bringing our 1 down. We're bringing our 2 down. We're bringing our 3 down. We're bringing our 5 down. We're bringing our 6 down. We're bringing our 7, and we're bringing our 8. Now these numbers can be en route. It may take up to 3 to 5 to 6 days, depending. If you're from Michigan, you know the foolery that Michigan Lottery be on. But if you see this in my rundowns, like I said, I have more than one method in each rundown. But this is how to do the breakdown, and it can be used for any state. All you do is start off with your original number. You put the missing numbers next to it. Your missing numbers should always go in red so you can identify them that they are missing. And just know that these numbers can be en route after 4, 7, 6, between 3 and 5 days, but it can take longer. Don't chase a number after 6 days. Save your money.